he's only on the bench. 40 goals in his 88 England caps to date. Mark Lobo is expected to be dropped to the bench for Fabio Capello's first game as coach this evening.